Elegant Empire.
David O'Meal Productions.
Hello viewers, welcome to this platform. My name remains yours truly, Elegant Akpabio. I have good news for you. As you all know, in Elegant Empire International, we're really doing a lot this month. Expect a lot from us. Now, from the commencement of our TV drama series, the big one that you guys have been waiting for, to the release of so many albums, EPs and singles from our music artists, a lot is really going down here. This month, we are actually taking rising stars from the grassroots into stardom. And then, if you're out there and you want to join us, don't waste time anymore. Come right here and be a part of what we are doing here. Stick around all our platforms and follow us and keep supporting us. Now I want you guys to check this out.